So I've just had a customer come in from out the road, a Stihl MS391, good saw. He's complaining about it bogging down, which it is. I'll just give it a test. So what I'll do is I'll start it up, put it into a log, and I'll show you what it's doing, and then I'll show you, if yours is doing it, what it could be. As you can see, it revs fine out of the wood. As soon as you put it in the wood, it starts to bog down and die in power. Let's have a quick look. I'll tell you what I reckon it is. Let's put him in the vise. So firstly, a dull chain, ship bar, Keen calls that. However, it won't lose power like that. That's not the case. I know it's got a good spark plug in it. I know the coil gap's fine. Air filter's clean. Alright, so I've seen a lot of people change the coil, put a new carby on for this same problem. It's not that, something so simple. So, I'll just set this camera up and I'll show you what I reckon it could be. Alright, in this here exhaust, in there is the exhaust hole. I looked at that. Many people look at it and think, oh, there's no screen. There is. I'll just undo this screw. My Torx driver. And, oh, fuck, that's all. I'll just pull this gauge out. Half block with carbon. Not much airway getting through there, exhaust getting through there. It's blocked, it's not breathing properly. So, one or two things, you can just scrape that off with a screwdriver or burn it off with a little blowtorch or something. So I'll do that. And we'll put him back in and we'll see the difference. There's the difference. Some people just leave those out. I don't. They're a spark arrestor. Stop any sparks or hot carbon, bits of carbon coming out in the dry bush and burn the forest down. So I'll put that back in and we'll see how the difference is. Hopefully, well, not hopefully, put that back in. Just be aware that these exhausts are hot, as I just discovered. Let's give it a go.